Hi, my name is Himanshu and today we're going to talk about high demanding skills. So I have a list of 4 skills right now which I want to talk about. I received a lot of questions in the events from the students. So I'm recording this video for you. So stay tuned. So very first skill is digital marketing. Now there's a lot of competition in the digital marketing as well. So you don't need to be just Meta ad experts or Google ad experts or YouTube experts. You need to be more than that. Though there's a lot of competitions, but you have a huge audience. There are many customers who want this service. So it's an ocean and there are really very less qualified digital marketers. So work on your skills, improve it and give the quality result. That's it. Then you're done with your business. Second is video making skill. Now just forget about the niche and everything. Okay. Every business wants to promote their service or products on online platform, and that's why they need a video. So yeah, you understand, I think, right? So you needs to have a skills of video making. I'm not telling you that you needs to be expert, but you need to understand the basics of the video making, how to write the scripts and what are the areas or where you need to focus while writing the scripts. That's it. Third skill is copywriting. It's 21st century, so copywriting is the good business. So you can become a best copywriter and you can beat the market again. That's it. And the fourth one is the coaching and consulting. You can become the coach, you can become the consultant, and you can teach the students, you can teach the business. There are many options. You can become a fitness coach, you can become a business coach, you can become a communication coach. Many options available are there. You just need to focus on your skills. You should not focus on random skills. Okay, if you think you are a creative guy, I would suggest focus on video making skill. If you are a good communicator or you like to teach people, then focus on coaching and consulting business. If you are good at writing, okay, then focus on copywriting part. So for me, these are the high demanding skills. There can be others as well, but I thought these are the skills which are easily learnable. It's a matter of interest. That's it. I think it makes sense to you. Bye bye. We'll see you in next video. Bye.